Say hi to my mom.
I don't think anybody will notice.
I'm videotaping, so really say hi.
Hi, Marlene. I see her all the time.
Hi.
Sure you don't have a safety pin.
Really? I never see you anymore.
I see your mom.
I
feel
see
kinda
your
left
mom every
out.
night.
Yeah.
What have you been doing with my mother?
Everybody sees
Oh,
Thomas
she
but
knows.
your mama. Or but you.
What?
I said everybody sees Thomas but you.
I know, I feel so left out.
I'm telling
Oh,
you.
let me get my
Her cousin is hot as hell.
camera.
No, Olivia's cousin. Is it
Yeah,
the longest? Oh, you got it.
The goth kid.
Hey, I just got Becca's tantrum on camera. And it continues. This is great.
Hey.